Practice set. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs given in the brackets. Number 1. Dash I go out, sir. May or can? Answer: may. May I go out, sir? 2. You dash speak Hindi. Can or may? Answer: can. You can speak Hindi. 3. It dash rain tonight. May, can. Answer: may. It may rain tonight. 4. The patient dash take medicine in time. Should, might. Answer: should. The patient should take medicine in time. 5. Work hard lest you dash fail. Should or would? Answer: should. Work hard lest you should fail. 6. Dash God help you. May or might? Answer: may. May God help you. 7. He dash not help me. Need, needs. Answer: need. He need not help me. 8. She said that she dash do. Can, could. Answer: could. She said that she could do. 9. He dash be rewarded if he stands first in his class. Shall, will. Answer: shall. He shall be rewarded if he stands first in his class. 10. I dash punish you if you don't behave yourself. Shall, will. Answer: will. I will punish you if you don't behave yourself. 11. You dash do your duty cheerfully. Should, must. Answer: should. You should do your duty cheerfully. 12. I dash like to see that pen. Would, might. Answer: would. I would like to see that pen. 13. We dash not to walk on the grass. Ought, should. Answer: ought. We ought not to walk on the grass. 14. The work dash time and patience. Need, needs. Answer: needs. The work needs time and patience. 15. He dash come here tomorrow. Need not, needs not. Answer: need not. He need not come here tomorrow. 16. He dash punish the child. Dare not, dares not. Answer: dare not. He dare not punish the child. 17. He dash to ring her up again. Does not dare, daren't. Answer: does not dare. He does not dare to ring her up again. 18. They dash to go swimming every morning. Used, did used. Answer: used. They used to go swimming every morning. 19. I dash know what my duty is. Would, should. Answer: would. I would know what my duty is. 20. The box was so heavy that I dash lift him. Cannot, could not. Answer: could not. The box was so heavy that I could not lift it. 21. Make haste lest you dash miss the train. Should, may. Answer: should. Make haste lest you should miss the train. 22. Gandhiji dashed to walk in the morning. Used, ought. Answer: used. Gandhiji used to walk in the morning. 23. He prayed that God dash give me prosperity. Might, could. Answer: might. He prayed that God might give me prosperity. 24. Dash I do it for you. May, can. Answer: may. May I do it for you? 25. You dash keep your promise. Should, ought. Answer: should. You should keep your promise. Question 1 completed. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. Number 1. Children dash obey their parents. Children should obey their parents. 2. We dash to be married next month. Answer: we are to be married next month. 3. He dash to be there by 5 o'clock. Answer: he has to be there by 5 o'clock. 4. I dash swim across the river. Answer. I can swim across the river. 5. He dash write what he can. He can write what he can. 6. I dash buy the book on English poetry. I could buy the book on English poetry. 7. We dash not to go tomorrow. We need not go tomorrow. 8. Dash you lift this book. Can you lift this book? 9. I dash swim across the river when I was young. Answer. I could swim across the river when I was young. 10. You dash have a holiday tomorrow. Answer. May. You may have a holiday tomorrow. 11. I dash go to see the match. Answer. I will go to see the match. 12. It dash rain in another hour or two. Answer. May. It may rain in another hour or two. 13. Dash we go there tomorrow. Answer. Must we go there tomorrow? 14. The letter dash leave by today's mail. Answer. Must. The letter must leave by today's mail. 15. Once every week he dash go for a swim in the sea. Answer. Once every week he must go for a swim in the sea. 16. She dash sing a song. She can sing a song. 17. You dash take regular exercise. You should take regular exercise. 18. Dash you live long. May you live long. 19. I worked hard lest I dash fail. Answer. I worked hard lest I should fail. 20. He dash be given a reward for his ability. Answer. He will be given a reward for his ability. 21. I carry your bag. Answer. May I carry your bag? 22. I dash go there in spite of all difficulties. I will go there in spite of all difficulties. 23. He dash speak French. Answer. He can speak French. 24. Students dash pay respect to their teachers. Students may pay respect to their teachers. 25. We read so that we dash get knowledge. We read so that we may get knowledge. Question 2 completed. Question 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. 1. I dash concentrate for longer hours when I was younger. Answer. I could concentrate for longer hours when I was younger. 2. We dash obey the rules of the school. Answer. We should obey the rules of the school. 3. We dash to respect our teachers. Answer. We ought to respect our teachers. 4. I dash to live there when I was a boy. I had to live there when I was a boy. 5. He said that he dash be 25 next birthday. Answer. He said that he would be 25 next birthday. 6. The letter dash arrive tomorrow. Answer. The letter may arrive tomorrow. 7. They dash built more hospitals. Answer. Have. They have built more hospitals. 8. Anyone dash join the club. Anyone can join the club. 9. My grandfather dash walk on his legs. Answer. My grandfather can walk on his legs. 10. Dash you help me. Answer. Can you help me? 11. We dash not to make a noise in the class. We ought not to make a noise in the class. 12. Dash you lend me your book. Would you lend me your book? 13. You dash control your temper. You should control your temper. 14. We dash obey our elders. Answer. We must obey our elders. 15. I dash swim across the river when I was young. I could swim across the river when I was young. 16. We dash to respect our elders. We ought to respect our elders. 17. You dash obey your principal. You must obey your principal. 18. He dash reach here by evening. He might reach here by evening. 19. Dash our country prosper. May our country prosper. 20. Dash you tell me the time. Would you tell me the time? 21. Anuj dash appear in the IAS examination next year. Answer. Anuj shall appear in the IAS examination next year. 22. You dash go now. Answer. You may go now. 23. He said that I dash go. He said that I could go. 24. He told me that I dash pass. He told me that I would pass. 25. Dash I have your pen. Might I have your pen? Question 3 completed. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. Now 1. There dash to be some more buses. Answer. There ought to be some more buses. 2. He dash buy a coat. He could buy a coat. 3. He dash pass if he worked hard. He would pass if he worked hard. 4. We dash not withdraw from the contest. We will not withdraw from the contest. 5. You dash go home now. You can go home now. 6. He dash solve this sum. He can solve this sum. 7. When he was young, he dash swim for hours. When he was young, he could swim for hours. 8. It dash be true. It may be true. 9. Dash I ask a question. Might I ask a question? 10. We dash love our country. We should love our country. 11. Candidates dash answer all the questions. Candidates must answer all the questions. 12. The teacher dash be honest in his dealing. Answer. Should. The teacher should be honest in his dealing. 13. We dash to help the helpless. We ought to help the helpless. 14. He said that he dash do the work. He said that he would do the work. 15. Boys dash be boys. Answer. Boys will be boys. 16. He wish he dash see her again. He wish he would see her again. 17. Gandhiji dash to spin every day. Gandhiji used to spin every day. 18. He dash oppose his father. He dare not oppose his father. 19. I dash like to see him. I would like to see him. 20. Dash you help me? Will you help me? 21. We dash go there tonight. We shall go there tonight. 22. You dash do as you are told. You must do as you are told. 23. We dash not tell a lie. We should not tell a lie. 24. It dash rain today. It may rain today. 25. Who dash be your enemy here? Who may be your enemy here? Question 4 completed. Question 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. Number 1. Dash I borrow your pen for a week. Could. Could I borrow your pen for a week? 2. This dash not be true. This cannot be true. Page 252. 3. The workers dash start the work. Answer. May. The workers may start the work. 4. The patients dash consult a doctor. The patients should consult a doctor. 5. You dash not to be late. You ought not to be late. 6. He dashed to walk in the morning. He used to walk in the morning. 7. Dash God help him. May God help him. 8. The patients dash take medicine in time. The patient should take medicine in time. 9. The deaf dash not hear. The deaf cannot hear. 10. No one dash challenge him. Answer: no one can challenge him. 11. She dash come today. She may come today. 12. She works hard so that she dash pass the examination. She works hard so that she may pass the examination. 13. We dash see Anshu tomorrow. We shall see Anshu tomorrow. 14. Let us walk dash we. Let us walk, shall we? 15. I dash do it again and again in my life. I will do it again and again in my life. 16. He prayed that God dash bless me. He prayed that God might bless me. 17. The servant dash serve his master honestly. The servant should serve his master honestly. 18. If I were a bird, I dash fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. 19. Soldiers dash obey their commander. Soldiers must obey their commander. 20. She dash play chess. She would play chess. 21. He dash to read this book. He ought to read this book. 23. Dash I do it for her. May I do it for her? 24. He dash just asked a question. He has just asked a question. 25. Work hard lest you dash fail. Work hard lest you should fail. Question 5 completed. Question 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. 1. You must dash left the flat by now. Answer: you must have left the flat by now. 2. I wish I dash the CM of Bihar. I wish I were the CM of Bihar. 3. We dash not live without water. We cannot live without water. 4. He dash not like the dishonest. He does not like the dishonest. 5. Dash you ever been gone to Agra? Have you ever been gone to Agra? 6. One dash to protect one's friends. One ought to protect one's friends. 7. Teachers dash be at their tables by 10 a.m. Teachers must be at their tables by 10 a.m. 8. Applications dash reach here before 31st June. Applications should reach here before 31st June. 9. You dash try to pass the BSEB examination. You will try to pass the BSEB examination. 10. Dash we talk to Mr. Nitish Kumar. Shall we talk to Mr. Nitish Kumar? 11. Dash I use your towel please. May I use your towel please? 12. Obey your teachers that you dash prosper in life. Obey your teachers that you may prosper in life. 13. Dash you do it. Can you do it? 14. One dash to look after one's old parents. One ought to look after one's old parents. 15. He dash not do it at any cost. He will not do it at any cost. 16. The Rajdhani Express dash reach here tomorrow morning. The Rajdhani Express will reach here tomorrow morning. 17. Neelu dash marry Rakesh next month. Neelu will marry Rakesh next month. 18. We dash help the needy. We must help the needy. 19. Dash you like to have a cup of coffee? Would you like to have a cup of coffee? 20. Make haste lest you dash miss the bus. Make haste lest you should miss the bus. 21. If I were a king, I dash make her my queen. If I were a king, I would make her my queen. 22. He dash rather die than beg. He would rather die than beg. 23. I dash to drink fresh water, now I drink polluted water. I used to drink fresh water, now I drink polluted water. 24. Dash you lead a happy life. May you lead a happy life. 25. He dash be 25 next year. He will be 25 next year. Question 7. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal auxiliary verbs or auxiliary verbs. 1. We dash not laugh at helpless. We must not laugh at helpless. 2. 5 years dash passed since you came here. 5 years have passed since you came here. 3. I dash unable to support you. I am unable to support you. 4. Why dash you not attend the class regularly? Why do you not attend the class regularly? 5. Nobody dash seen in the school office yesterday. Nobody was seen in the school office yesterday. 6. You dash do your duty. You should do your duty. 7. He dash lift this load. He could lift this load. 8. Dash you be here next Monday. Will you be here next Monday? 9. The doctor knew that the patient dash die. The doctor knew that the patient would die. 10. Dash you tell me the time. Would you tell me the time? 11. We dash donate blood in this camp. We will donate the blood in this camp. 12. Dash you live long. May you live long. 13. He dash pass if he worked hard. He would pass if he worked hard. 14. You dash clear your accounts before leaving. You must clear your accounts before leaving. 15. He dash defeat his opponent. He can defeat his opponent. 16. He said that he dash beat him at chess. He said that he could beat him at chess. 17. Dash his efforts be crowned with success. May his efforts be crowned with success. 18. He worked hard that he dash get good marks. He worked hard that he might get good marks. 19. We dash follow the traffic rules. We must follow the traffic rules. 20. We dash not cross the road against red light. We must not cross the road against the red light. 21. She says that she dash marry him. She says that she shall marry him. 22. He dash not oppose me. He dare not oppose me. 23. You dash not to drink so much. You ought not to drink so much. 24. He dash not do it. He need not do it. 25. He dash come tomorrow. He should come tomorrow. Question 7 completed. Question 8. Correct the sentences. Number 1. We may climb Mount Everest. Answer. We can climb Mount Everest. 2. He is working hard so that he could stand first in the class. He is working hard so that he may stand first in the class. 3. You should leave for home immediately. You must leave for home immediately. 4. If you do it, you will be fined. If you do it, you shall be fined. 5. You could use this plot of land for business purposes. You might use this plot of land for business purposes. 6. We laugh so that we cannot weep. We laugh so that we may not weep. 7. You might write an application to the principal to condone, the fine. Answer. You could write an application to the principal to condone the fine. 8. We may not enter this prohibited area. We cannot enter this prohibited area. 9. Might you live happily and long. May you live happily and long. 10. She wondered whether it might be true. She wondered whether it could be true. 11. You could pay a little more attention to your appearance. You might pay a little more attention to your appearance. 12. She could sit for hours listening to the wireless. She would sit for hours listening to the wireless. 13. Should you lend me your scooter, please? Would you lend me your scooter, please? 14. I used to live there when I was a boy. I used to live there when I was a boy. 15. Students cannot borrow from the library more than 2 books at a time. Students may not borrow from the library more than 2 books at a time. 16. If he had wished, he could have gone yesterday. If he had wished, he might have gone yesterday. 17. She can pass if she works hard. She may pass if she works hard. 18. Might you have a good time. May you have a good time. 19. He cannot write English before he came to school. He could not write English before he came to school. 20. Cars should not be parked in front of the gate. Cars must not be parked in front of the gate. 21. He will be punished if he does that again. He shall be punished if he does that again. 22. He ought not to be allowed to neglect his studies. He should not be allowed to neglect his studies. 23. They shot the tiger lest he would escape. They shot the tiger lest he should escape. 24. Should you like to come to the library with me? Would you like to come to the library with me? 25. He needs not copy out the whole page. He need not copy out the whole page. Question 8 completed. Question 9. Find out the error part of these sentences. Number 1. If you were to start early tomorrow morning, you should reach there before sunrise. Should की जगह would का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि कंडीशनल सेंटेंस का सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में होता है तो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज में would का प्रयोग होता है. If you were to start early tomorrow morning, you would reach there before sunrise. 2. If your parents disapprove of the plan, you should give it up. Given sentence correct है. 3. They ought have been enjoying themselves. Answer. ought की जगह must का प्रयोग होगा. They must have been enjoying themselves. 4. He can write the letter in English if he wanted to. Answer. Can की जगह could का प्रयोग होगा. He could write the letter in English if he wanted to. 5. We put up a fence so that the neighbors could not overlook us. Could की जगह might का प्रयोग होगा. We put up a fence so that the neighbors might not overlook us. 6. I was afraid that if I asked her again, she may refuse. May की जगह might का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि past tense की चर्चा है. I was afraid that if I asked her again, she might refuse. 7. He dare me to fight with me. Answer. Dare की जगह dares का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि यहाँ dare का प्रयोग to challenge के अर्थ में main verb के रूप में हुआ है. He dares me to fight with him. 8. He read the message but he cannot understand it. Cannot की जगह could not का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि past tense की चर्चा है. He read the message but he could not understand it. Page 253. 9. A driver who has knocked someone down must stop. Given sentence correct है. 10. You needn't read the whole book, but you should read the first 4 chapters. Answer. Should की जगह must का प्रयोग होगा. You needn't read the whole book, but you must read the first 4 chapters. 11. He has a house in London and another in Paris, so he should be rich. Should की जगह must का प्रयोग होगा. He has a house in London and another in Paris, so he must be rich. 12. Every morning he might kiss his beloved and set off for work. Might की जगह would का प्रयोग होगा. Would का प्रयोग past habit को express करने के लिए किया जाता है. Every morning he would kiss his beloved and set off for work. 13. Every evening his wife used to welcome him home and asked him to tell her about his day. Given sentence correct है. 14. If I hadn't seen the car coming, I may have been killed. May have की जगह might have का प्रयोग होगा. If I hadn't seen the car coming, I might have been killed. 15. People are not as careful as they must be and drop their litter in the streets. Must be की जगह should be का प्रयोग होगा. Litter का प्रयोग यहाँ वहाँ कूड़ा कचरा के अर्थ में हुआ है. People are not as careful as they should be and drop their litter in the streets. 16. At the end of the examination, you must check your answers. Answer. Must की जगह should का प्रयोग होगा. Should का प्रयोग advice का बोध कराने के लिए होता है. At the end of the examination, you should check your answers. 17. The pupils mustn't go to the meeting if they don't want to. Answer. Mustn't की जगह needn't का प्रयोग होगा. The pupils needn't go to the meeting if they don't want to. 18. You must be pleased to hear that I've already got the tickets. Must be की जगह will be का प्रयोग होगा. किसी व्यक्ति को किसी चीज या वस्तु के बारे में सूचित करने के लिए will be का प्रयोग होता है, न कि must be का. Note. Subject plus will be plus pleased or interested plus to hear or know or learn plus that plus clause के structure का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे You will be pleased to know that your old friend Prakash has been promoted to the post of associate professor. Answer. You will be pleased to hear that I have already got the tickets. 19. I have friends who should love to stay at home, but they have to go to work. Answer. Should की जगह would का प्रयोग होगा. I have friends who would love to stay at home, but they have to go to work. 20. His mother thinks that somebody must have dared him steal the bicycle. Answer. Steal की जगह to steal का प्रयोग होगा. जब dare का प्रयोग मेन वर्ब के रूप में होता है तो इसके बाद infinitive with to plus V1 का प्रयोग होता है. His mother thinks that somebody must have dared him to steal the bicycle. 21. I daren't to ask her for any more money. Answer. To ask की जगह ask का प्रयोग होगा. daren't का प्रयोग marginal auxiliary verb के रूप में होता है. इसके बाद infinitive with to का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. I daren't ask her for any more money. 22. Veena told her husband he needn't to worry. To worry की जगह worry का प्रयोग होगा. needn't का प्रयोग marginal auxiliary verb के रूप में होता है. इसके बाद infinitive with to का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. Veena told her husband he needn't worry. 23. If I lived in the countryside, I could be much healthier. Could की जगह would का प्रयोग होगा. If I lived in the countryside, I would be much healthier. 24. If you had caught the earlier train, we could have travelled together. गिवन सेंटेंस करेक्ट है। 25. If a developing country will become a developed country, it has to attract foreign investors. Answer. Will become की जगह is to become का प्रयोग होगा। गिवन सेंटेंस के अर्थ के लिए ये उपयुक्त है। If a developing country is to become a developed country, it has to attract foreign investors. 26. When capital punishment was abolished, people thought that murders will become more numerous. Answer. Will become की जगह would become का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि past tense की चर्चा है। When capital punishment was abolished, people thought that murders would become more numerous. 27. When the publisher is not busy, he uses to talk the writers. Answer. He uses to talk की जगह he talks का प्रयोग होगा। Present habit को express करने के लिए simple present tense S plus V1 slash V5 plus O का प्रयोग होता है, न कि S plus use slash uses plus 2 plus V1 का। When the publisher is not busy, he talks the writers. 28. By reading quickly, I could finish the book before the library closed. Could finish की जगह managed to finish का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि past event की चर्चा है। By reading quickly, I managed to finish the book before the library closed. 29. As I have already mentioned, I could learn a great deal during the 2 years I spent in England. Answer. I could learn की जगह I was able to learn का प्रयोग होगा। As I have already mentioned, I was able to learn a great deal during the 2 years I spent in England. 30. The next generation can fly to the moon for their holidays. Can fly की जगह will be able to fly का प्रयोग होगा। गिवन सेंटेंस के अर्थ के लिए ये उपयुक्त है। The next generation will be able to fly to the moon for their holidays. Question 9 completed. All the questions completed. Page 254. In this page, remaining answers of the questions have been given, which have been read with the questions simultaneously. Chapter 16. Auxiliary verbs completed. Page 255.